Ugh, why am I making so much noise again?
Because you're empty. It's your cleaning cycle, Borborygmi.
Oh, great. So everyone can hear my cleaning?
Pretty much. Think of it as housekeeping with a megaphone.
Fantastic. Can't wait for the encore.
You're welcome.
That sound happens when your gut muscles push air and fluids around, like a mini cleaning wave.
So I'm not broken, just cleaning up?
Exactly. A healthy rumble means you're alive and kicking.
Follow for more tiny body facts.